Welcome again. We are Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2022. Question number 3C. Explain the MPFI multi-point port fuel injection system layout which employs mass flow sensor used in multi-cylinder SI engine. Clearly indicates the components present in the layout and their sensing or operational function. So functions of functional division of MPFI system is consists of three divisions. First is electronic control system, second is fuel system, third is air induction system. So first is your MPFI electronic control system. The MPFI electronic control system is shown in the form of block diagram in figure 9.8. So this is the electronic control system. Cold to cold start injector ignition signal to ECU and cold start injector timing switch, air flow meter and sensing. And this is to injector output. This is input. The sensor that monitor intake air temperature and oxygen, the water temperatures, the starter signal and the throttle position send signals to the ECU. The airflow sensor sends signal to ECU regarding the intake air volume. The ignition sensor sends information about the engine speed. The ECU processes all these signals and sends appropriate command to the injector to control the volume of the fuel for injection. When necessary, the cold start injector timing switch of the ECU operates the cold start injector, which is part of the fuel system. Now, second is your MPI fuel system, second functional unit. The MPI fuel system is shown in figure in the form of block diagram, figure 9.9. So this is your MPFI fuel system. Fuel pump, fuel cold start injector timing switch, and it leads to cold start injector and pressure regulator, and then to air intake chamber, and then to ECU, and these are the injectors to intake inflow. This is the block diagram. The MPFI system is shown in the form of block diagram in figure 9.9. In the system, the fuel is supplied by the fuel pump. At the time of starting, the cold start injector is operated by cold start injector time switch. The cold start injector injects fuel into the air intake chamber, thus enriching the air fuel mixture. The pressure regulator regulates the pressure of the fuel. Injectors receive signal from the ECU and inject fuel into intake manifold. The third functional unit is of MPFI. The MPFI air induction system. The MPFI air induction system is shown in figure in the block diagram in 9.10. This is the diagram. Air cleaner, air flow meter, throttle body, air valve, air intake chamber, intake manifold, cylinder from cold start injector, injection from injector. Okay, the air cleaner and air cleaner, the air flow meter, the throttle body, and the air supply valve. Air valve supply a proper amount of air to air intake chamber and intake manifold. The quantity of air supplied is just what is necessary for complete. transformation. So this I have taken from B. Raghavan book. So you can also refer B. Raghavan book of IC Engine. Now we have two questions asked from the theory and from the same book. So please download B. Raghavan book and study theory. This. So this is the answer to that question. And I'm not going to explain all these things. I will just explain numerical part or derivation part. So you need to study. It's yours.